How to verify account on PrimeXBT. Are you guys facing is to verify account on PrimeXBT? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To verify your account on PrimeXBT, first of all, log in into your PrimeXBT account. Open the app and log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply look at the top of your screen where you can see this option for verify. You are looking to verify, right? Now just simply click on verify. You will be asked to provide your personal details such as full name, date of birth, and addresses. Make sure this matches your government issued ID. After filling in your details, upload your identity documents. This can be a passport, driver license, or national ID card. You may also be asked to upload a proof of address such as a utility bill or bank statement. Finally, complete the facial verification step by following the on-screen instruction with a webcam or phone camera. Once you have submitted everything, PrimeXBT will review your account document. Verification usually takes a few hours but may take longer in some cases. When approved, you will receive a confirmation email and your account will be fully verified, unlocking higher limits and additional features. That's it, guys. That's how we're going to verify your account on PrimeXBT. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.